Today I'm going to show you how to get free Twitch Premium so this actually works. As you can see, I want to subscribe to this person and it says subscribe for free. So this is a glitch. I'm not actually doing this. I'm not actually paying, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get into the video. So basically what we need to do is go to this site. So the site we're going to go to is called zoomods.com. So once you're on this site, guys, what you want to do is just go to the search bar and type in Twitch. So let me just do that right here, guys. Just gonna wait for the site to load. So this is like a modded site, so it's got lots of crap that you wouldn't find in the App Store. So as you can see, I typed in Twitch and the site is gay, so it won't load. But if it loads, which I'll pause the video and resume it if I have to, but if it okay, so it loaded, but doesn't mean that it's actually gonna work. So let's try to search something up, and there it is, Twitch mod. So press on this, wait for it to download, and then you will be able to subscribe to anyone's Twitch for free, and you get free Twitch Premium. It's like a modded version of the Twitch, guys, so be sure, go ahead and try this out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to go through with that, but as you saw, I can actually do anyone I want, as you can see. So it's super cool, guys, so be sure, go ahead and try this out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but if this video works for you guys, then get the word out, because all we got to do, guys, is just go to Zoomods and you're going to be all good to go. So be sure, go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, this is super wild, bro, and it actually works. So be sure to get the word out just so more people become educated and stuff, because I know that everyone's just a sucker and they pay for the Twitch or whatever, but you don't actually have to do that. You can just follow this method instead. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and get the word out about this tutorial. I'm going to see you guys in a future video, and peace out.